What's up guys, it's Emily here. So I have an unboxing video. I got some stuff from Hot Topic. And sorry that I look crazy. I'm in my work shirt again. It's freezing and I don't feel like taking it off. So yeah. So this is a Cope Sprite unboxing. I got some cool stuff. They usually don't have Cope Sprite stuff sometimes. So when I see that they have some, I get my hands hold of it, and plus I got money to get the stuff, so yeah, for Christmas. So it's kind of like a Christmassy kind of unboxing video in a way. So yeah, so I'm opening up and it is shirts. Probably should have got scissors. Yeah, why is these so hard to open? Usually I have usually I order a package to the store, but I just didn't feel like picking it up because of working and stuff. I wouldn't have time, so that's why I decided to just order it to my house. And plus, like I said, I got money for Christmas, so I was just like, I'll pay for shipping. I'm like struggling. Okay, here we go. Ooh, I'm so excited. I love Cope Sprite, as you can tell. I love the Night Before Christmas stuff as well, but they usually don't have Cope Sprite stuff. And I do have the Hot Topic dress of Emily and a whole bunch of other shirts. So this is, it's two of these in here. So here's the one. This is like the guy's one. I will open it up to show you, but that's what it looks like in the package. And the other one is here. Oh, I got a bunch of stuff. I got hot cash. And I got this thing. It has Night Before Christmas on it. There. And it's 15 off. This is the other shirt. Pretty cool. This one, oh my god, I love these. I love these. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay. I locally have all the shows, probably. The Hot Topic sales of Cope Sprite. So I'm going to open this one up first. I ordered this one. Oh yeah, I ordered this one in a small because it was like for guys, so this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. I love it so much, and I love how it's like Emily, like just Emily, and the other show is like this as well. And it says "You May Kiss the Bride," which I love, and like it looks big, so I'm glad I got it small. I love this so much. It is so cute. And I love the bow too because it's like the scene. Well, obviously You May Kiss the Bride. Scene when the boats and she meets Victor. I love this shirt so much. Okay, so I'm gonna open up this one now. This one's for the ladies. I wish they were just like on set size because I freaking love them. The tag got caught. Okay. So, oh, I love this. I love the color. And as I said, it's just Emily. I love the colors. Blue is like the theme. And my favorite color is blue. And my name is Emily. And I love Tim Burton's films. And yeah, it's my favorite movie. I love this. It's cute. It just says Tim Burton Cope Sprite. I kind of wish it said Emily on it because like that would be pretty cool because, you know. But yeah, I love this show. I love this. I love the other one as well. I'm so excited about these. So yeah, I am gonna put another clip in here because my mom ordered me something and it relates to Cope Sprite as well, and it's from Hot Topic. So when I get that item, I'm gonna put a video in. So that's gonna be next, so enjoy. Hey guys, it's Emily again. So I finally got the necklace. My mom ordered this through Hot Topic. I don't know if I said this, but well, she didn't, well, of course she ordered it through Hot Topic. She had it shipped to the store at Hot Topic, and it actually came in a huge box. And I don't know why they put this in a box and not like a padded, like envelope kind of thing. I don't know, like they usually do. I don't know, but yeah. So I got the necklace. You can't see it because the label is over there, but I saw it a little bit. So, but I'm gonna open it in front of you guys right now. So yeah. So here it is. It looks pretty cool. It's not as big as I thought it was. I thought it was going to be like really huge. That's why I was like kind of like about it. But it's actually really, really cute. And it has like leaves around the heart. So it's pretty cool. And it's black and it has both Emily and Victor on it. And oh my god, it has like it all padded here. They actually packaged this so good. So I'm going to try to get this out. They have this tape up so well. Oh my goodness. I didn't even bring my scissors. Yeah. They also had earrings at one point, but I don't think they have them now. I'm not too sure, but I don't have my ears pierced, so can't really get that. But yeah, they were like really cute too. They had like the butterfly, and other like really cute things. So here it is. This was $10, by the way. I'm trying to take the thing off of it because I'm gonna keep this. I like to keep these little things. It's really cute because look, Emily's on the back. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. So here's the necklace. It's kind of tangled a little bit up here, but I will fix that then. But it has an extra chain on it, so you can make it longer. And then this is what it looks like out of the packaging. So I'm going to put this on, see how it looks. I'm actually wearing a Thankful Christmas sweatshirt on. You can see Jack and Sally's right there. I got this for Christmas. So yeah, it says Simply Meant to Be on the back as well. Hot Topic always has the coolest things with Tim Burton. So I'm just going to put it well, like the one like huge like little thing to hook it on, but it looks like it can go pretty long. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's actually pretty good. Let's see how it looks with the longer setting. I don't know if you guys can see this all because my clothes is black. This is really black. So hopefully you can see it kind of good. So this is what it has in the long setting. It goes up to here, which is pretty a good length. It's probably like 18 or 20. But yeah, it is pretty cute. And I like it. I actually have another Corpse Bride jewelry as well, but it's just like Emily and Silver. I don't think it's from Hot Topic. I'm not too sure where it's from, but I have another necklace as well. So yeah. I don't know if I said this before, but if you guys want to check out my Corpse Bride collection, I will have it linked in my bio down there. Not the bio, the description. The description. This is not Instagram. Oh my goodness. But I'll have it linked in the description so you guys can check out my collection of my Corpse Bride stuff. Obviously, I just got new stuff, so it's not like up to date, but it's up to date when I did it in October. So go check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This Thankful Christmas haul unboxing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you check out my Corpse Bride collection. So yeah, please give me a like and a subscribe.